Buongiorno. Beautiful day in Sydney this morning. Spent the morning making some fresh pasta. Took a little longer than I thought. Now we start prepping for tonight. Pasta class, and we've got a few things to do along the way. So starting to get ready for tonight, or for our sauces. That part I always kind of get few ingredients ready to go. Start to take some basil, things like that. And tonight we will have a San Marzano sauce, so Italian tomatoes with Sicilian olives and fresh basil. And the other one is a nice, quick sausage and fennel ragu, which I'll show you everything as I prep it. Getting ready the garlic and onion. Some Italians, they say don't put those two together, but I like them, and I'm using the garlic whole, so it's a very mild kind of garlic flavor, so you can combine the two. So whole garlic, you just want to peel it, and an onion. This is what happens when you cut an onion, right? You're just left with a little bun. Tonight we're making a pork sausage and fennel ragu, but if you want to get a nice flavor out of the ragu, sausages are key. So you can use little paste, one, or even if you put a little piece of guanciale, pancetta, nice piece of bacon as well. By cooking that one off with the mince at the beginning, the sausages or any kind of cured meat will have extra fat, extra seasoning, and that will help build up the flavor into your sauce. So all you have to do is remove the skin from your sausage like this. This one comes off quite easily, as you can see, and then this one, meat in a bowl, and is good to go. So here is your Thursday tip, if you are watching on Thursday. The majority of the mise en place is done for tonight, and this one always helps running the class a little bit more smoothly, so the way people enjoy cooking the sauce a little more. Now that one is out of the way, gonna jump back onto a little bit of admin. There's always heaps of stuff to do, and hopefully I have a bit of time to squeeze in to start editing this the vlog, so I can send it out. Always takes me so long to write emails. Okay, so here is an email there. It's not bad, but you know, it's sometimes you don't want to receive them. So we apply for some product to be stocked in store. You always have to send kind of an application, and unfortunately, we never had any knockback. But this one, there is always a first. And this one here, this particular company mentioned we would not be able to kind of stock their products because apparently a shop in the near suburbs already has them, which is fair enough. Is good to keep, you know, this kind of sort of business, so it's not oversaturated. But you know, hopefully we can stop them in the near future.
Bye.
Bye. So we all set for tonight. Tonight we're gonna have the pasta machine we're gonna use. Do the classic kind of egg pasta dough. It's always, especially on Thursday night, is always the most popular class. We're gonna do 2 pasta shapes, pappardelle mantagliati, and then we're gonna do 2 sauces as well tonight. One is a pork sausage ragu with fennel, and the other one is with salmazzano, olives, and basil. We had a few new things this year on the table. We've got a nice little menu, and we're gonna, once the thing is off, we're gonna put it in there, and the little napkins, little patches like this. We have little quotes. Down at the back we've got some little hand packs. See you later. Alright, so wrapping up another night. It was a very nice class, nice group. We got on together very well. Four young guys, 2 couples, young couple. We got on very well. We made some nice pasta. Now it's been a long day, so it's time to wrap it all up, go home, go to bed. See you tomorrow.
Buonanotte.
Buonanotte.